In this video, I will be teaching you how to start your own dropshipping business for completely free, especially since you only have to work for less than an hour for this. We will be using AI to automate this 99%. By the end of this video, you will have all the information to start your online empire and earn money like a champion. If you are new to this, let me do a quick breakdown of this video before we even get started, so you guys feel more organized. First, we will select a selling channel and identify our niche. Then we will do product research using TikTok. Next, we will select a supplier and import our products. The next crucial step will be marketing, and of course, last but not least, is fulfilling orders and making that sweet passive income. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will be giving you some top secret websites and methods to 10x your earnings. First of all, for anyone who doesn't know me, my name is Social Media Moneymaker, and on this channel, I cover all the methods on how you can make money from the social media apps that you already have on your phone. And all the methods that I mentioned in my channel can be done without any capital investment. Let's dive in. The first step is to find a niche and a great product to sell. I recommend finding a sub-niche in health, wealth, or relationships. If you need to learn what a sub-niche is or how to find one, let me know in the comments and I'll help you. Next, find a product to sell using the TikTok Creative Center. Scroll through the ads currently running on TikTok and ensure the product has high engagement. Once you've found your product, the next crucial step is to create your website. We'll use Shopify for this because you'll get 3 days for free and then pay just $1 for the next 3 months. It's a no-brainer. I hope everyone can spare $1 to invest. Now, the biggest question you might have is, doesn't it cost money to buy a domain? No, you don't need to buy a domain. You can use the free domain that Shopify offers, which is the myshopify.com URL. The next step is to get a supplier. Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can use a free supplier called Zendrop. Zendrop will ship the products directly to your customers without you needing to touch the product. Zendrop is 100% free to use. The next step is the most crucial. If you skip this step, your dropshipping store might be the biggest waste of time. Marketing is the most crucial step in your dropshipping journey. We'll use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook for our marketing. Firstly, create accounts for your product on all the social media platforms mentioned earlier. Then, order a sample product from Zendrop for completely free. After you get your products, the next step is to create your videos. Pro tip: make sure to create content that is less than 30 seconds, and that's it. Now all you have to do is post 3 times a day on all platforms and wait for the sales to roll in. After you get sales, Zendrop will ship the products directly to your customers. If this video gave you any new knowledge, please drop a like and sub as it helps me out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.